In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add a table of contents into our document. So one of the things I've already done here is in this document, I've created titles called paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've also left, let's bring it back up here, the references that we added from our reference and citations section. So if you've forgotten how to add specific markers like this, all we do is we go to our home tab and we work with these style sets over here. All this is just a heading 1 option, and for the title, random title, I just gave it a title option. So now we're going to be looking at how to add a table of contents. To do this, we go to our reference tab and we go to table of contents. We click on the drop down. We can look at contents, table of contents, or table of contents, however we wish to choose it. So it's your personal preference. I always like this option here. And there we go. It's created a table of contents for us with the paragraph numbers as our titles and a reference, and it indicates which page they are on. Alright, and it says here, current document, press the control and click on the following link. So if we go to example paragraph 4, press the control key and I clicked on it and it takes me straight to paragraph 4. That is how you make an interactive table of contents on Word as well. So it's all automatically pre-built into it for you.